Hello and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely fine. So today's vlog will be very exciting as me and my friends are going to Birmingham for a one-day trip. So it is organized by CampusLife and we are really very excited to go. So it's 7:50 right now and the bus has arrived. So let's begin the video and the trip. So we just took a break at this service at M5 or something. It's around 10:20 now, and I guess we have more 45 minutes to 50 minutes till we reach Birmingham. So far, it's really good. We are just talking, sleeping, I guess. So we dropped off at Birmingham. These are our buses, and right now it's 11:30, and the weather is pretty nice. So it's my first time in Birmingham, and we are now planning our itinerary. So first, I think we'll go to the Bullring Market. So yes, pretty much excited for that. So let's go. So we are now going to the cathedral. So we walked all the way from the science museum and now going towards the cathedral. Um, it started raining in between, but it is fine now. It's a bit cold, but so far the city is amazing. We are in front, in the middle of a circle. You can see. So yeah. So we are at the cathedral right now, and it's a really beautiful place with some gardens and a big circle area. You can just come around and chill. It's a little windy here, but now we are going to the art gallery. I think it is closed, but you can see the view is really good. So yeah, we are going over there. We were at the cathedral before, and it is one of the best places you can visit in Birmingham, and even the town hall. This is the I'm in front of the town hall, and it is really great. I'll show you around. Now we are going to the library. It's a really good building. I'll show you around.